Hello boys and girls, so we are back for our read, write, ink, and this is day 2 and we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling today. Now first of all, let's have a little practice of some of our red words. Now you're just going to read the red words today to see if you can get them all. Are we ready? Fantastic, well done. Okay, let's have a little practice of some of our set 2 sounds and see if you can spot the sounds we are doing this week. Are we ready? Magnetize. That's right. Ow! Ow! Shout it out. And that is the sound we're doing this week. Let's carry on. Fantastic, well done you. Now let's have a little practice of some of our words, and we're going to do Fred in our head for some of them, okay? So, Fred in our head. Start. I'm going to go a bit quicker today. Fred in your head. Girl. Fred in your head. Twiddle. Fred in your head. Nello. What a lot of nonsense. Fred in your head. Chair. Fred in your head. Bird. Fred in your head. Sharp. Fred in your head. Book. Fred in your head. Third. Fred in your head. Nart. Nart? What a lot of nonsense. Good job. So, this week we are focusing on the ow sound, and it's an o and an Ow, okay? Let's see if we can Fred talk some of our ow words, okay? Special friends? Fred talk. Loud. Special friends. Fred talk. Out. Special friends. Fred talk. Round. Special friends. Fred talk. Found. Special friends. There's 2 there. Fred talk. Shout. Special friends. 2 again. Fred talk. Mouth. Excellent job. Okay, can we get our pens and paper ready? And we are going to start our Fred finger spelling this week. And remember, our sound this week is ow. Okay, so the first word we're going to write today is out. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word out? That's right, it's 2. Are we ready to pinch for out? Out. Your turn. Out. Out. Good. Can you write the word out? Good job. So what comes first in out? O, a. So the ow sound, underline my special friends, out, out, out. Tick if you got the ow, tick if you got the t. The next word we're going to write is loud. How many thread fingers do we need for the word loud? Good job, it's 3. Are we ready to pinch for loud? Loud. Your turn. Loud. Loud. Good. Can you write the word loud? Remember and underline your special friend sound. Good, so what comes first in loud? L, ow, d. L, ow, d. Loud. Tick if you got the L, tick if you got the ow, tick if you got the d. Loud. The next word we're going to write is shout. Shout. How many thread fingers do we need for the word shout? 3. Are we ready to pinch for shout? Sh, out. Your turn. Shout. Shout. Good. Can you write the word shout? Remember and underline your special friend sounds. There's 2 in there. So what comes first in shout? Sh. And how do I write the sh sound? A s and a he. Then what comes next? Ow. How do I do the ow sound? O, a. Good. Sh, out. Sh, out. Shout. Tick if you got the sh, tick if you got the ow, tick if you got the t. Shout. The next word we're going to write is found. Found. How many thread fingers do we need for the word found? It's 4. Are we ready to pinch for found? F, ow, d. F, ow, d. Your turn. Found. Found. Good. Can you write the word found? Good job. So what comes first in found? Ow. D. Ow. D. Found. Tick if you got the f. Tick if you got the ow. Tick if you got the Tick if you got the d. Found. Excellent job today. So you can go on to Some Dog and carry on practicing your spelling. And also you can carry on with reading the Tug Tug book, story 6. fantastic job today. I am very impressed. Can you give yourself a fantastic? Good job, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.